Hello kids, today we are going to sing a poem Cuckoo. So let's start. Cuckoo, cuckoo, what do you do? Cuckoo, cuckoo, what do you do? In April, come I will. In April, come I will. In May, I sing all day. In May, I sing all day. In June, I change my tune. In June, I change my tune. In July, I prepare to fly. In July, I prepare to fly. In August, go I must. In August, go I must. Cuckoo, cuckoo, what do you do? Cuckoo, cuckoo, what do you do? Thank you.